In this video, we're taking a quick look at the baseball controller in ProScoreboard and what differentiates it from other sports. Baseball has a few optional features we'll want to see during this walkthrough, so let's enable those first. Click the pencil icon in the top left of the controller, and under Settings, check Enable Pitch Count, Enable Bases, and Display Radar. Then close Settings. We'll cover what each of these does as we go. Let's start with scoring. The at-bat selector decides which team your controller buttons apply to. Whichever team is at bat will have balls, strikes, outs, runs, and hits applied to them when you click those buttons, while errors apply to the other team. Look for the red highlight on the bottom of the controller. That's your active team. Click New Batter anytime to reset the ball and strike count. And like every other sport in ProScoreboard, most of these boxes can be edited directly. Click into the box, type a new number, and press Return. By default, your scoreboard starts with 9 innings. If the game goes into extra innings, ProScoreboard automatically adds more, but as new innings are added, the earlier ones will scroll off the board. If you want to control how many innings are visible, that's a two-step process. First, go back into Settings and update the Visible Innings option. Then head into Edit Scoreboards to add the extra innings to your layout. Both steps are needed for this change to take effect. Now let's look at the optional features we enabled at the start. With pitch count enabled, ProScoreboard automatically adds to the count every time a ball or strike is logged. No manual tracking is needed. Keep in mind that other pitches, like fouls or a hit batter, won't be counted automatically. You'll need to add those yourself. The base indicator adds a baseball diamond graphic to your controller. Click first, second, or third base to highlight your runner on the board, and click it again once they've advanced, scored, or been called out. If you have radar hardware to track pitch speed, the current speed will display on the far right of the controller along with a button to reset it after each pitch. And that's baseball. 9 automatic innings that expand as needed, an at-bat selector that keeps your stats going to the right team, and optional features for pitch counts, base runners, radar, and more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.